Welcome back. Still very flat for our markets. The Nifty standing exactly at that 5100 mark. Let's turn our attention to Somany Ceramics. Abhishek Somany, the Joint Managing Director of the company, now joins us. Afternoon, and thanks for joining us. You entered into an MOU to acquire a 26% stake in Vintage Tiles. Could you tell us how much by way of cash have you laid out for this acquisition? And once it comes through, what would be the revenue increment to the company's financials?
Hi Rima, that's right. We've acquired the 26% stake in Vintage Tiles. This is at a value of 5.5 crores, and the revenue this will generate would be in the range of about 70 to 80 crore rupees annualized. We would start production sometime end of November.
Abhishek, would it be possible that you'd be looking to acquire the entire company at any point in time?
Yes, we do. In the MOU, we do have an option to increase our stake to a management control, which is 50%. Currently, we are at 26. We do want to expand capacity in the company going forward. The company infrastructure is already laid out to expand, double the capacity from what it is today. So that's what's going to be in stock for the next 6 to 8 months.
Vintage Tiles also has a plan to, set up a new plant which will manufacture 7,500 square meters of vitrified tiles. What's the kind of investment that this will require? Will you all be putting in that money for that?
Vintage Tiles currently is a brand new plant. It's a state-of-the-art plant which has just been set up, in which we have bought the 26% stake. The owners of this company used to run another tile company by the name of Somany Ceramics, in which we were partners in the sense they were contract manufacturing for us for the last 5 years. Now the capital outlay in this, you can do the math. 5.5 crores is what we spent on the equity. We would double it to take it to about 14,000 square meters from the current level of 7,500 square meters. So whatever the amount is, we haven't really decided as to what technology would be applying for the doubling of the plant. Obviously, that would happen in the next quarter. Depending on the technology, we would then have the capital outlay and we would participate in that respect.
Okay, what are the financials of this company, and in general, what are your inorganic plans, Abhishek?
The financials of this company, it's a brand new company, like I said. So the first production would be starting in November, and it will give an annualized revenue of between 70 and 80 crore rupees with this capacity, which is 2.75 million square meters or 7,500 square meters per day of nano-polished vitrified tiles. And the inorganic, as far as Somany Ceramics is concerned, apart from our own expansions and debottlenecking, which we've done last year, and some debottlenecking is still happening as we speak. Apart from that, the inorganic growth, we would immediately want to double Vintage Tiles to take it to 14,000 square meters per day. And also we are looking for, we're open to any other similar acquisitions / partnerships in around India for enhancing our capacity for both nano-polished vitrified tiles and also ceramic tiles.
All right, thanks so much for joining us. That's the word on Somany Ceramics. Some updates also coming through. Infosys clarifying that they're not in talks to acquire Thomson Reuters healthcare business, something which has been doing the rounds for some time. This was expected to, if it had gone through, the deal size was the largest one of close to about $700 million.